golf set yesterday for free. I think it's hundreds of dollars worth of golfing gear. I don't know anything about golf, but I do know what sells. So I spent hours last night just cleaning the golf balls. And going through the case, the caddy and the trolley. And I haven't even finished cleaning yet because it was so bad. Like it had soil stuck in it. Anyway, he gave me a free box. And I couldn't believe it, how much stuff was in that box, including bugs and soil. It was given to us for free because he just didn't want to clean it. I found a pair of shoes, like golf shoes, they're Adidas. Anyway, I bug sprayed them, so I hope that didn't ruin the leather. And I whacked the shoe, and a big cockroach came out. He must have been stuck in the soil. I don't know how he was alive. Anyway, he must have been carried with us the whole way home, chilled with us for hours while I cleaned, and then aborted the bug spray, and then when I knocked him, he might have just woken up. Anyway, that was a little scary. I was a little afraid that bugs were going to get in the car when I put the stuff in the car, because there were spiders like right here on the stuff, and I was like, ooh. It's got this little putt thing, this little grass strip. And then I went through the caddy and I was really scared because there's heaps of stuff in all the hidden pocket, and then it all looked kind of gross in there. So then I found all these golf balls. I was like, whoa, what a score. And then I found something that I almost threw out. I thought, ew, what is this bunched up ball of goo? Anyway, it was a really good golfer's glove. So I was like, oh, that looks leather. Oh, I think I'll keep that. So I've got to clean it. And I found another golfer's glove. And then I found this case. And then when I opened the case, there's all this weird sponge in there. It was gooey and it fell apart and crumbled. Turns out that that was the old packaging. That stuff was so old that the packaging had deteriorated into like a goo. It was a pair of glasses, golfer's glasses. And then there was all these little cases that he'd bought of all sorts of golfer's gear, and it had just dirt and soil. I don't know why it had so much soil. I just opened all the packages up and I cleaned everything. I cleaned the plastic, the label, I cleaned the little pieces inside. So I just repackaged, and I cleaned the packages. Warm water. It says put dirty golf club heads in a warm water bucket. Just let them sit there for 5 minutes. They're self-cleaning. Now I have to have the tedious job of researching stuff about golf. I have to know what brands these are. All these golf clubs. Whoa! I looked up the brand. They're expensive. They can be like $27 just per golf stick. Yes, this is how much I know about golf. I'm calling it a stick. I like golf though. Like I like to play golf. I did golf in high school because I forgot to sign up things that you're supposed to sign up for earlier in the year, and I just was one of those kids that rocked up and was like, oh, well, we're supposed to do that. So I had to go to golf because no one wanted to do golf, and me and another kid that would forget everything were in golf, and everyone said, why are you in golf? Why did you do golf? You two are the last likely people to take up golf. And we both said, oh, it's because we forgot. So we had to, because there was no spaces in any other class. Anyway, I learned I liked golf. I don't like to play, but I was half decent at golf. Cleaned the golf clubs with the dishwashing detergent soak method. A lot of dirt that was stuck on there that looked like rust. It was actually dirt. It came off, and it was really good and it didn't scratch. There are scratches on those things, but they were there before I touched them. I'm going to use Eye Sparkle. Eye Sparkle is from XO2, and it is one of my favorite things ever. On anything shiny that can shine, will shine more. You combine this stuff with that stuff and put it on other stuff and you have good stuff. Well, I'm very excited to see what we get for the free golf stuff. It's just so good. I'm loving this life. That took a really long time. I'm big on secondhand stuff. because it's cheaper. Today I'm picking up this Ryobi leaf blower, another place in Robina, to pick up 6 free white leather dining chairs. 20-minute trying to put them in the car. Basically doing this all morning.